how to lock screen time settings on your iPhone. So all you need to do is to open your system settings, and once you are here, scroll down and you want to find screen time section, which is here. Open it, and now simply scroll down and find the option lock screen time settings. So choose this option, and now you have to set a screen time passcode. So do it on your own. Now you have to re-enter screen time passcode, and now enter your phone number or email address for screen time passcode recovery. You can also use your Apple account to reset it. And now it should be fine after I entered here my Apple account and password. So I locked my screen time settings. If you want to change it or delete it, you can also click here again and you can turn it off here or change your screen time passcode here. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and see you around.